Yo, what's up guys? This is Mada Pakasana, and so for today's video, we're going to create a tutorial video kung paano ba gumawa ng isang logo, company logo gamit ang isang design tool na tinatawag natin na Designhill tool. Yan. Isang DIY siya na website. So bago natin umpisahan ang ating tutorial, please sa mga bago dyan sa aking channel, subscribe nyo ang aking channel, and then don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong tutorial video. So let's go! Tayo sa ating browser, and then search lang natin sa taas or i-type lang natin designhill.com. So ayan yung website nila, DIY Tools website, designhill.com. So ito na yung pinaka-page nila. And the next guys, tayo sa explore or it started now. AI logo maker tayo. Punta tayo sa AI logo maker. Ayan. Click nyo lang yan. Then after that, kung may company kayo, so you can put your company name, either like example, Madtech. Madtech. And click generate logo. So, si AI na yung maghanap ng logo ninyo para sa inyong company. So, pipili lang kayo, pick 5 or more design styles you like. So, I like this one. And then, other one is in. Tsaka, ito. And then, ito. And, isa pa. Ito. Continue nyo. And then, sa kulay naman, kayo na rin pwedeng kumuha ng, pumili ng kulay, kung anong gusto nyo yung kulay. Sa akin naman is black and white. White. Then, click nyo lang, continue. And then, so, choice nyo na rin kung maglagay kayo ng slogan. Slogan is optional. And select industry. And you have technology. Technology. And then budget. Try mo natin lang 0. And then click nyo lang, continue. And then search and add up to 5 symbols. And pili kayo ng 5 symbols dyan. And they're computer, pili tayo, choose tayo ng computer, like this one, and then continue. So AI will generate the logo, so just wait for a while. Ayan, plate as a logo. Please select a logo which you would like to edit or purchase. Ayan. So, ang gaganda ng logo nila na pinibigay na sinasuggest nila, as you can see, and then pwede mo pa yung i-load more logos. So, dito naman, ito yung napili ko. You can edit guys, pwede nyo siyang i-edit ha. Click nyo lang yung edit logo. And then, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust, either i-adjust nyo yung, and makita nyo naman yung logo nasa t-shirt na siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-adjust, kayo ng balang mag-adjust, caps, low, or font size, and then edit colors. Pwede nyo baguhin yung colors niya. Kayo ng bahala, or do whatever you want. For me, black. Kayo na mag-adjust. Back lang natin. Ayan pa yung ibang logo niya. So, ang dami niyong pagpipilian. Napaka-unique naman nilang mga logo. Napakaganda. Load more nyo lang. pwede kayo makahanap, and then pwede nyo siyang i-edit. So if your company looking for logo maker, please use Designhill, designhill.com. Please visit this website. I recommend you guys. Ang dami niyang choices na logo, kasi si AI na yung automatic na mag-generate ng logo ninyo. Marami siyang suggestion na binibigay. Like this one. Click natin. Edit nyo. Save nyo lang. Kung tapos na kayo mag-edit, save nyo lang. Save. After nang ma-edit nyo na yung logo nyo guys, pagka-edit nyo na yung logo, pwede nyo siyang save. After ma-save, pwede rin kayong kumuha ng kanilang packages. May prices dito. Click nyo lang itong buy ng button, and then magpapakita na yan ng prices. Meron tayong basic, $20 one time, and get a low resolution logo file just for this who are low budget just starting out. So you can avail this one, and medyo hindi siya masyadong mahal. And then meron silang premium, most popular one, about $65. Ayan, save. And then we have their high resolution logo, vector APS and SVG files, transparent background, lifetime phone support, black and white versions, print 3D, and then make changes and re-download, and you can edit this one. And then font names and colors and full ownership. Ayan, medyo maganda tong premium na to. And then meron din silang enterprise na package, worth of $150, and let's customize your logo with our designer. So dito, kumbaga yung logo ninyo, pwede niyang ipa-customize sa designer nila. Meron silang designer dyan. Pwede niyo siyang ipaayos, at meron na siyang high resolution logo. Ayan, napakaganda na ng pixel nito, yung resolution niya. And then vector APS and SVG files, transparent background also, and then lifetime phone support, and then black and white versions, and print is also ready, and then font names and colors, and then full ownership. So if you want to avail this guys, you can choose either basic or premium or enterprise. We have their prices. So what are you waiting for? You can avail this now. Pwede rin kayong mag-add-ons. Ayan, meron silang add-ons. Ayan, meron silang letterhead design for $30. And then business card design is very important. You can also add this one, and especially the t-shirt design also, 30. And then most important is the animated logos. Yeah, this is very important. Animated logos, especially nowadays, animated logos are very popular. So you can also add this one, add-ons. So if you are choosing like premium or enterprise, please also give it this one, also add-ons, the animated logos. And then you select yung premium, you can choose like select this one, and then just write to option, and then also can use PayPal or credit card also, and then proceed to checkout. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you. So yun lang guys, ayan, huwag nyo lang kalimutan i-search ang Designhill tools sa inyong mga browser para makapag-create kayo ng logo. And thank you for watching, and